So now we will going to start for the package.json, which is the starting point for your application, which installs and setups the Angular project on your machine. So as a scaffolding, the package.json will be automatically created, and right now we are pointing at the Angular 6. So every package or a dependency that we have installed in this file is at the point or 6.0. So all the files or the other packages which are at the different package levels are designed for Angular 6 version. Okay, so in the dev dependencies, so these dependencies will only be there on your machine if you are installing this project. So these dependencies will not go in the deployment steps. So going forward, so the Angular JSON file will be referred for building your projects, which is the name of the project will be mentioned in the projects section here. So the root directory for this project and the related stuff will be mentioned here. So Angular will going to read the index files, menus, TS or polyfills or assets that you want to specify, or the configurations that you want to specify for your application will be read from here. So this file will be referred when you are running any ng command. So last time when I have run the command for ng-serve, so it was reading the angular.json file. Initially this file was angular CLI JSON, but now they have renamed and restructured this file for more reliability. So this test lint and other steps also there, but on the serve thing, so we are using the dev kit builder here, and we are starting the dev server with some browser targets and options with this few configurations. Later this file or the Angular JSON, when starts up by gathering all the stuff, Angular package JSONs and related files, once everything is set up, so while deploying it will start deploying the page which is index.html. So in the body section right now we are just specified the app root section here, or the app root component here. So the app root component is nothing but the Angular app component stuff. So here if you can see, this is the selector for the app component, and the title will be set up here. So what we are saying here to Angular is, on the index page in the body section you have to render this app root selector. So this selector means this component will going to render here. So this selector will be used in the HTML to embed this component in your project. So it means that the index page will start looking for the app component, or the component which is having the app root as a selector. Once it identifies, Angular helps it to find the template URL, which is the HTML and the CSS, and of course we already know the component class. So here it will start detecting the app component, pulls up its HTML, whatever HTML it have, and the stylings which are just related to your specific to this component will be referred, and this component will be rendered in this section of your index page. So this HTML tag, which is a name of this component, will be automatically replaced with the contents of this component by Angular. So as an output you will be able to see some contents like this.